Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shaini Narang and I'm your yoga guide. Today's video is about fundamentals of breathing. A lot of us are breathing without any awareness. हम सब में से बहुत सारे लोग बिना सोचे समझे ऑटोमेटिक मोड पे ही सांस ले रहे हैं. हमें पता ही नहीं है कि हमारी सांस कितनी गहरी है, कितनी हल्की है, how deep it is, how shallow it is, we have no idea. But it's very important to connect ourselves with our breath because breath is the bridge between body and mind. Breath ही एक वो bridge है जो आपके शरीर को आपके मन के साथ जोड़ता है. So if you want to understand your mind better and you want to control your mind better, you need to have a better control on your breath. अगर आप अपनी सांस को समझ लेंगे, आप अपने मन को भी समझ लेंगे. And towards the end of this video, we will explain you how to train your mind with the help of your breath. Isn't it useful? So stay till the end of this video. This is a practice along video, so we want you to do what we are doing at this point in time. हमारे साथ इसका अभ्यास करें ताकि आप अपनी breath के साथ better जुड़ सकें. Okay? So let's begin with the process of centering. To begin with, I would request to use a prop. Take a minute to get a cushion, pillow, a yoga block, whatever is available, and sit on it. किसी भी एक prop पे बैठे, ज़मीन पे ना बैठे. If you're sitting on chair, that's also okay. But if you're sitting on your yoga mat, use a prop which will naturally elevate your hips and keep your knees lower than your hips. तो आपकी spine जो है वो automatically straight हो जाएगी. That is the position we want to be in so the breath can travel freely in the body. First, we will start with the process of centering. So place your right hand on the chest, left hand on the belly, and gently close your eyes. First, take a deep breath. And slowly exhale. देखिए कि आपकी सांस कितनी गहरी है. Observe till where you are able to breathe. Is your breath only traveling to the chest? Or is it going to the lower abdominal area? Simply observe, don't judge. Now check when you're breathing in, is your body expanding? Are your lungs, your lower belly expanding or is it contracting? बड़े गौर से देखें कि जब आप सांस अंदर भर रहे हैं तो आपका शरीर फूल रहा है, एक्सपैंड कर रहा है कि सिकुड़ रहा है. You first have to take a note of that. Take a minute to observe that. And you can gently remove the hands and open your eyes. For a lot of us, what happens is कि जब हम सांस भरते हैं तो हमारा शरीर सिकुड़ जाता है, पेट पिचक जाता है और जब हम सांस छोड़ते हैं तो फूलता है. But that's the incorrect way of breathing. वो सांस लेने का सही तरीका नहीं है. Imagine your body to be like a balloon, like a गुब्बारा. सोचिए कि आप गुब्बारे जैसे. जब गुब्बारे में हम हवा भरते हैं तो गुब्बारा फूलता है, expand करता है. Similarly, when we inhale, our lungs and our stomach should expand. And once we exhale, the breath goes out of the body, the organs come back to its original position. They contract a little. So that is the right way of breathing. But a lot of us, because we have been living in chronic stress and tense situations, this process has been reversed. हम उल्टा breathe कर रहे हैं. So the first thing we will do today is lie down on the mat and correct this breathing. So I want you to take Shavasana. We are not sleeping yet, सोना नहीं है अभी, लेकिन breathing पे focus करना है. So lie down on your back and open your feet, toes pointing outwards, palms facing upwards. Only focus on the breath and try to imagine yourself to be a balloon. अपने आप को एक गुब्बारे की तरह महसूस कीजिए. जैसे आप सांस भरें आपका पेट फूलना चाहिए, लंग्स एक्सपैंड करने चाहिए. जैसे आप सांस छोड़ें तो बॉडी रिलैक्स करनी चाहिए. If you're not sure about this, you can also place your hands on the heart and on your belly. Observe. Inhale. Consciously send the breath to the belly. Expand the belly. And as you exhale, contract the belly, contract the lungs. So breathe in, expand. Breathe out. Relax. You can place the hands to the side. एक बार दोबारा सांस भरें. Imagine your lungs to be like a balloon which are expanding with an inhalation. And as you exhale, the body relaxes, the breath goes out, and your belly, your lungs settle down. Try to send the breath deep into your lower abdominal area. Expand the body, inflate like a balloon. अपने शरीर को एकदम बड़ा कर दे, फुला दे अपनी सांस से. धीरे धीरे सांस को जब आप छोड़ें, observe how the belly settles down. देखिए कैसे आपका शरीर एक्सपैंड कर रहा है जब आप सांस भर रहे हैं, और कैसे आपका शरीर रिलैक्स हो रहा है जब आप सांस छोड़ रहे हैं. And slowly turn to one side. एक करवट लेटेंगे और धीरे से उठ के बैठेंगे. Just come up and take a sitting position. Okay, you can open the eyes. So that is the first point which comes in fundamentals of breathing, कि जब भी आप सांस भरें आपकी बॉडी एक्सपैंड करनी चाहिए. For a lot of us this might feel very unnatural, but this will come with practice. तो आपको इसका अभ्यास करना है ताकि आप इस ब्रीदिंग के मैकेनिज्म को, इस पैटर्न को करेक्ट कर पाएँ. Now we will check this in a sitting position. So again, use a block or a cushion, sit on it. And now what we will do is called yogic breathing. It has 3 parts. हम सबसे पहले अपने पेट की तरफ सांस को लेके जाएंगे. We'll expand the lower abdominal area. Then we will expand the chest, and then we will expand this clavicular region, which is the neck, shoulders and collarbones area, taking the breath up towards the head. So think of 3 parts: lower abdominal area, chest and neck and shoulders and above. So we'll do this breathing in 3 parts and then we'll combine the 3. First, place both your hands on the lower abdominal area. Close your eyes and expand the stomach. सिर्फ सांस भरनी है, अपने पेट को फुलाना है. थोड़ा एफर्ट हो सकता है इसमें क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को इसकी आदत नहीं है, बट डोंट वरी, टेक अ मिनट टू डू दिस. Inhale, expand your lower abdominal area. Exhale, relax. Breathe in and breathe out in your own time. सिर्फ सारा ध्यान आपके बेली पे, लोअर एब्डोमिनल एरिया में हो. जैसे आप सांस भरें इसे एक्सपैंड करें, फुला दें. जैसे आप सांस छोड़ें इसको थोड़ा सा पिचका दें, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इट अ लिटिल. And relax. Now we will focus on the chest or the lungs. Now you can place your hands on the lungs if you want and expand them when you breathe in and let the breath go out and relax them when you breathe out. Okay, let's do few rounds of this. Thoracic breathing. Try to send the breath to the sides of the lungs and the back of the lungs as well. जैसे आपके lungs एक balloon की तरह हर दिशा में बढ़ रहे हैं. So expand that as you breathe in. Let go of the breath as you breathe out. Focus on the expansion with the inhalation. And relax. Now we will focus on breathing in into the collarbones, neck, shoulder, face area. Try to expand this, although there is no organ here, but still think of expanding this area. आप सोचिए कि ये भी area जो है वो बढ़ रहा है. We'll again close the eyes and breathe into the upper part in the clavicular region. And relax. Now to do the full yogic breathing, we will combine the 3. हम सबसे पहले सांस भरेंगे, अपने पेट को एक्सपैंड करेंगे, लोअर एब्डोमिनल एरिया को एक्सपैंड करेंगे, फिर लंग्स को और फिर क्लेविकुलर. सो यू ब्रीदिंग इन फ्रॉम डाउन टू अप, okay? And when you're breathing out, relax the whole body and let the breath go out of the body. Don't worry about the sectional breathing while breathing out. जब आप सांस को बाहर छोड़ रहे हैं तो ये मत सोचिए कहाँ से सांस पहले बाहर जा रही है. Although it is technical, but for this video, first understand the basic. So breathing in from down to up and then releasing the breath out of the body. We'll practice 5 rounds of this. जितना गहरा आप सांस ले पाएँ उतना better. So let's begin this together. Close your eyes, roll the shoulders back. Start with me, inhale and send the breath to the lower abdominal area. Then to the chest. Then the clavicular area. Fill yourself up to the head. And exhale slowly. Again, breathe in, expand your lower abdominal area. Then chest. Then clavicular region, neck, shoulders, face. And exhale slowly. You will see the body naturally contracts with the exhalation. Again, third round. Breathe in into the belly, into the lungs, in the neck, shoulder and face. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in into your belly, in the lungs, clavicular, and breathe out. One last time, breathe in into your belly, into the lungs, into the clavicular, and slowly exhale. Now simply observe the breath. And gently open the eyes. You would have realized that your breath is now going deeper. जब हमने शुरू किया था ये वीडियो वर्सेस द एंड ऑफ दिस, ऑलमोस्ट द एंड ऑफ दिस, आपने रियलाइज़ किया होगा कि आपकी सांस और गहरी होती चली जा रही है. एंड दैट इज़ द राइट थिंग टू डू. What happens when we do deep breathing is we are switching from fight and flight mode to rest mode of the body, from sympathetic nervous system to parasympathetic nervous system of the body. And when this switch happens, your mind automatically calms down and you are able to take better decisions for yourself. So जब आपका माइंड बहुत एजिटेटेड है, बहुत एक्टिव है, आपको पता नहीं लग रहा है कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, you're stressed, you're upset, you're anxious, slow down the breath. Use the breath as a tool to come back to center and stabilize yourself. And once your breath is slow, you catch hold of the thoughts, you're like, okay, now I'm in a better state of mind to take a decision or to do the next activity. Otherwise, you're always in your head and not in the present. So this is very powerful, very important. जब भी आपको लाइफ के कुछ important decisions लेने हो, सबसे पहले deep breathing कीजिए. Overthinking हो रही हो, deep breathing कीजिए. Anxious feel कर रहे हैं, nervous feel कर रहे हैं, तो भी deep breathing कीजिए. And that's where you will have the power to control your mind, your thoughts, and your decisions. So I hope you found this video useful. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please make sure to share this with all your friends and family. उनको भी मदद मिलेगी. And spread the word so that they all can live in peace as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing yoga and namaste.